guys, Zach Bob with Suncoast Resources. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery with a fuel monitor. Alright guys, so you're going to unscrew these with a Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to remove the cap. Once you remove the cap, you're going to want to remove this black lever from the battery. So push down the battery and just slide it over just like that. Next step is you're going to want to push down on this lever right here and pull up. So I'm going to push down, pull up, here it comes, and you're just going to pull out the battery just like that. Once you remove the battery, you're going to want to hit this white button right here 8 times to reset the monitor to be able to get an accurate fuel reading. To install a battery, you're going to slide it down this slot right here. We're going to go ahead and put this lever back over the battery to secure it. And then we're going to take this white connector and plug it right back into the black connector. And we're connected. So this is going to keep flashing green and it'll go red and green. And then it will go back to blinking green. And then it'll go to a solid green. That means you're well connected. So if your monitor does not go back to green, it's going to flash red and green back and forth just like it is doing right now, and it will stay on a solid red, which means that you need a new monitor.